Is it time to buy or sell Tempus AI stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Tempus AI. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 5th of May, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 23rd of April, 2025, our system has classified Tempus AI as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of -0.07. Let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Throughout this period, the stock has exceeded our expectations, achieving a gain of 9.12% since we initially recommended purchasing Tempus AI just 9 days ago. This equates to an average return of 1.01% per day since it was designated as hold or accumulate. The stock is currently situated within a very broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating that further declines are likely. The existing 3-month trend points to a potential decrease of nearly 30% over the coming 3 months, with possible returns estimated between -66% and -14%. Our latest daily update for Tempus AI includes the headline, Tempus AI Inc. stock price fell more than 5.24% on Monday, closing at $54.07. The Tempus AI Inc. stock price decreased by 5.24% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 5th of May in the year 2025, dropping from $57.06 to $54.07. During that trading day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 6.65%, reaching a low of $52.80 and a high of $56.31. The price has increased in 7 of the last 10 days and has risen by 31.94% over the past 2 weeks. Interestingly, the trading volume decreased on the last day alongside the stock price, which is generally a positive indicator as volume should align with stock movements. On the last day, the trading volume fell by 3 million shares, with a total of 9 million shares exchanged for approximately $492,690,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the stock's highest price reached $91.45, while the lowest price was $22.89. Currently, the price stands at 40.87%, or $37.38, below the 52-week high of $91.45, which is also the all-time high for this stock. Tempus AI, listed on NASDAQ under the ticker TEM, has recently unveiled NoteTaker, an AI-driven clinical assistant designed to enhance the efficiency of psychiatrists by automating the generation of progress notes from patient sessions. This innovation is poised to streamline patient record-keeping, potentially improving psychiatrist productivity and patient care. Additionally, the company has expanded its TEM network, which supports Phase 1 clinical trials, enhancing patient identification and site activation. This expansion could accelerate the availability of cutting-edge treatments, further solidifying Tempus's position in the clinical trial space and driving future revenue growth. Recent developments also include the successful publication of a study validating the XF plus liquid biopsy assay, which supports its use in therapy selection. The findings underscore Tempus's commitment to providing non-invasive and precise diagnostic tools. In the past week, shares of Tempus surged by over 21%, largely due to a substantial partnership worth $200 million with AstraZeneca aimed at creating an AI-driven oncology foundation model. Such collaborations enhance Tempus's credibility and signal investor confidence, likely bolstering stock performance in the short term. With upcoming first-quarter financial results expected on the 6th of May, stakeholder anticipation is high. If the results align with market expectations of significant growth, it could lead to further upward momentum in the stock price, solidifying the company's prospects in both the short and long term. Overall, recent advancements and strategic partnerships indicate a promising trajectory for Tempus AI, making it a noteworthy player in the precision medicine landscape. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 23rd of April 2025, it was reported that BTIG assigned TEM a buy grade along with a hold action. On Monday, the 21st of April 2025, it was reported that BTIG again assigned TEM a buy grade with an initialize action. On Thursday, the 6th of March 2025, it was reported that Morgan Stanley assigned TEM an overweight grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 12th of November 2024, it was reported that Piper Sandler assigned TEM a neutral grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 5th of November 2024, it was reported that Needham assigned TEM a buy grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Tempus AI stock a general strong sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have also rated the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for Tempus AI. The stock of Tempus AI Inc. indicates buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook. Additionally, there is a general buy signal due to the relationship between these averages, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. Should there be a downward correction, support can be expected at the levels of $53.66 and $48.12. A breakdown below either of these levels could trigger sell signals. Furthermore, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also been noted, which may impact short-term developments. A sell signal arose from a pivot top point on the 2nd of May, 2025, with the stock having declined by 5.24%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. The volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which diminishes overall risk, as volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some additional signals you may find intriguing. Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots show a sell signal from 2 days ago. Bollinger suggests a buy signal from 122 days ago. The short-term moving average indicates a sell signal from 4 days ago. The long-term moving average suggests a buy signal from 10 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 7 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average shows a buy signal from 10 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a buy signal from 9 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal from 31 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Tempus AI. Tempus AI Inc. finds support from accumulated volume at $52.73. And this level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This stock exhibits considerable movement throughout the day, characterized by high volatility, and with a substantial prediction interval indicated by the Bollinger Band. It is deemed to be very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $3.51 between its high and low, which represents a change of 6.65%. In the past week, the stock has averaged a daily volatility of 7.21%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Tempus AI, let's quickly review some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established companies can experience downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may be a warning sign of insufficient profit and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 6th of May, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at negative 270 cents. Keep a close watch on these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Tempus AI. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Tempus AI is at $55.30. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Tempus AI encounters its first support level at $52.73. If this support level holds, it could serve as a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Tempus AI from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. Now, let us examine some recent insider trades. On the 24th of February, 2025, Rogers James William conducted an insider purchase of 4,372 shares of Class A common stock. On the same day, Polovin Andrew executed an insider purchase of 5,334 shares of Class A common stock. Also, on the 24th of February, 2025, Phelps Eric made an insider purchase of 5,334 shares of Class A common stock. On the 29th of April, 2025, Bartolucci Ryan M. conducted an insider purchase of 5,000 shares of Class A common stock. Furthermore, on the 24th of February, 2025, Bartolucci Ryan M. executed another insider purchase of 4,372 shares of Class A common stock. Analyzing the most recent 16 insider trades, we have determined that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 39.133. In total, insiders acquired 24,412 shares and sold 54,538 shares in these last 16 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $51.04, reflecting a decline of 5.61%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which introduces a high level of risk. A sell signal has been triggered from a pivot top identified 1 day ago. Is Tempus AI stock a good buy? Tempus AI Inc. holds several positive signals, but we still do not consider these to be sufficient for a buy recommendation. At the current level, it should be viewed as a hold candidate, meaning to hold or accumulate while we await further developments. Due to minor weaknesses in the technical outlook, we have revised our analysis conclusion for this stock from a buy to a hold or accumulate candidate since our last evaluation. After examining the volatility and price movements for the most recent trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 6th of May, we anticipate Tempus AI to open higher by approximately 32 cents and begin trading at $54.39. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a lovely day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.